Seahawks fireworks stash. The LOB by Silvas. 12 Legion of Boom by Pyro. 12 boom shells by Silvas. The flag on top of the Space Needle there. The Hot Crocker by Blue Dragon. Beast 24 Quake. The Go Hawk, also by Silvas. Legion of Boom by Warrior. 12 Native Pyro. 2 12 shots by Great Grizzly. 12 shells by Great Grizzly. IB Blue and Green by Pyroland. And the Hawk Box. Probably do an unboxing of that. Got a lot of stuff, cool stuff in there. Nice assortment. There's my stash. There was a Beast Mode cake with Skittles on it by Warrior that I used to have, but I can't find anymore. I don't think they probably don't make that one anymore, but that was one of my favorite cakes.